Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 cordless pressure washer gun available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. MANUSAGE Washer Gun. Efficient pressure washer. With a high-quality motor and stainless steel sprinkler, the washer delivers 320 psi and 1 pm of water flow. It is high efficiency and low consumption. Long-lasting power. The 2000 mAh battery can last for 20-25 minutes, which is sufficient for various cleaning tasks. The washer has a digital display that shows how much power is left so you know when to charge it. Portable and easy operation. Different nozzles are suitable for most cleaning projects. The 5mm hose can be inserted into swimming pools or rivers to get rid of water restrictions. The matching filter can effectively filter leaves, silt, etc. Compact and lightweight. Sleek design and 3.7 lb. Weight make it easy to use and carry. The cordless pressure washer is specially for car washing, watering flowers, cleaning bathroom sinks, doors, windows, and more. Number 4. WORX Washer Gun. 7x more pressure than a garden hose and nozzle. For tougher cleaning jobs, 450 psi is more cleaning power than the standard HydroShot models. 2 speed settings. But you can also switch it down to low at 290 psi to conserve both water and battery when the cleaning task is a little lighter. Same battery, expandable power. WORX Power Share is compatible with all WORX 20 and 40 tools, outdoor power, and lifestyle products. 4-in-1 multi-spray nozzle. 4 settings, from 0 deg for the most direct spray, to 15 deg, 25 deg, and 4 deg for a wider cleaning radius. Onboard battery charge indicator. The fuel gauge tells you how much juice you have left so you'll know when to recharge or switch out batteries. Dual port charger. Since this HydroShot runs on 220 batteries, we've included the 2-slot charger to get you back in the game quicker. Draw fresh water from any source. Just drop the hose into a lake, pool, marina, or bucket so you can take your HydroShot anywhere. Number 3. DEWALT Washer Gun. Power cleaners such as the DEWALT DCPW 550 aren't much bigger than a pressure washer wand. From tip to tail, this one measures 40.5 inches. Its weight is on the heavier side for this class of tool, 7.4 pounds with a 5.0 battery. As a two-hand tool, it's not that burdensome. No pressure required. One of the great benefits of power cleaners is that they don't need a pressurized water source to operate the way pressure washers do. DEWALT includes a 20-foot siphon hose with both the bare tool and kit. 2 speeds. This is one of only a couple of models to have multiple speeds. High gives you the best performance and low extends your runtime. Nozzle storage. DEWALT makes an unusual move by working with standard pressure washer nozzles instead of the rotating nozzles that come on most power cleaners. Water plus electricity. The idea of running a tool like this and splashing water around sounds like a bad idea for the batteries. DEWALT takes care of it neatly with a battery cover to protect it. Number 2. WANGYONGQI Washer Gun. Pure copper movement. Pure copper motor runs smoothly with low noise, low temperature rise, stable output performance, daily use without maintenance, and long service life. Coupling cylinder technology. The crankshaft connecting rod water pump has stronger performance, less vibration, and quieter, and the water flow is no longer intermittent, subverting the impact of the car washer. Large capacity lithium battery. Lithium battery for up to 50 minutes of battery endurance. Large capacity lithium battery support fast charging technology. The spring-loaded quick plug battery is more convenient. Built-in smart chip automatic power off when overheating. Super self-protection ability, safer to use. Auxiliary handle, shotproof plastic handle. Long-term work is not tired, comfortable to hold, and can cope with a variety of special environments. Number 1. WORX Washer Gun. Great power. 2*20 batteries and brushless motor provides higher power, extended run time, and longer life. High pressure. Max rated pressure is up to 725 C, which is 11x more pressure than garden hose and nozzle. Portable design. The new HydroShot can be used anywhere because of its lightweight design and high mobility. You can take it with you anywhere. 2-setting water pressure options. 2-setting water pressure options design is economical and applicable to meet the needs of different working conditions. High efficiency brushless motor. Brushless motor, which has lower friction, lower noise, better heat dissipation, and more compact motor structure, provides higher power, extended run time, and longer life. Charge 2 batteries at once. Dual port charger can charge 2 batteries at once. Fully charge 2 batteries in 2 hours. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.